1989 Ford Ranger with the 2.9 engine's been making a whistling, whining noise somewhere near the intake. I've verified there are no vacuum leaks. So today we're going to chase down the specific noise. An automotive stethoscope will help. If you don't have one of those, link the vacuum hose up to an ear. And then listening around on the different suspect parts. Leads me to the PCV valve. To verify, we can pinch the PCV hose and the whistle goes away. Alright, so we know that part is suspect. And weird, I just happen to have a new one in my pocket. How did that get there? I've had good luck with the standard brand of parts when I can't find Motorcraft. These are built to work with several vehicles. So it comes with a plug to plug the unused vacuum port. The old one pops out pretty easily. The PCV valve is here. You can wiggle it out. The noise gets better when I pull that out. The engine speeds up. I'm pinching the hose to keep it from revving too high. Already the idle is better. And that just sticks down in there. Noise problem solved. And I think the idle issue, where it's been idling unsteadily, is likely solved too. We'll check that out, give it a test ride, and see how she goes.